As we age, we often accept declining leg strength, restless sleep, and stiff joints as inevitable. We wake up feeling less than we did decades before. But what if the most powerful tool for restoration isn't found in a daytime workout, but in the quiet hours of the night? What if a simple, targeted nighttime ritual could be the key to waking up feeling stronger, more balanced, and truly rejuvenated? Welcome back. Today, we're not just talking about a quick fix. We're building a scientifically backed nighttime routine designed to support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and promote the deep, restorative sleep your body needs to rebuild. This isn't about one magic ingredient. It's about a synergistic protocol that works with your body's natural nightly repair cycle.
To understand why a night routine is so critical, we need to look at what happens while you sleep. Your body isn't just resting, it's in a state of intense repair. This is when the body releases human growth hormone, crucial for muscle maintenance and repair. It's also when the glymphatic system, your brain's cleanup crew, is most active, flushing out metabolic waste. For seniors, two key processes often break down. 1. Inflammation. Chronic, low-grade inflammation can impede muscle repair, leading to sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. And 2. Sleep disruption. Poor sleep quality spikes cortisol, a stress hormone, which directly counteracts muscle building and promotes fat storage. Therefore, a truly powerful nighttime routine does three things. It provides the building blocks for muscle repair. It calms the inflammatory response, and it actively supports the architecture of deep, uninterrupted sleep. Our protocol is designed to do exactly that.
So, what goes into that spoon? It's not one ingredient, but a powerful combination. We'll create a small, potent mixture to be taken approximately 30 to 60 minutes before bed. First, the base. 1 tablespoon of 100% Tart cherry juice concentrate. Why? Tart cherries are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. But more importantly for leg strength, they are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown in multiple studies to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation, similar to some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects. This helps your leg muscles recover from the day's activities while you sleep. Next, we add 1 scoop of high-quality collagen peptides. As we age, our body's natural collagen production plummets. Collagen is the essential scaffolding for our joints, tendons, ligaments, and muscles. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides are broken down for easy absorption. Taken at night, they provide the specific amino acids like glycine, which is not only a building block for muscle, but also a powerful neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and deeper sleep. This directly supports the structural health of your legs. Finally, we combine this with 1 teaspoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. This is crucial. The healthy monounsaturated fats in EVOO serve 2 purposes. First, they dramatically increase the absorption of the fat-soluble nutrients in the cherry juice and collagen. Second, extra virgin olive oil is a cornerstone of the anti-inflammatory Mediterranean diet. Its primary polyphenol, oleocanthal, acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to calm the systemic inflammation that hinders muscle repair and contributes to joint stiffness. Mix these 3 together. It will be a slightly thick, potent liquid. You can take it as is, or if you prefer, mix it into a small cup of warm water or herbal tea to make it more of a soothing nightcap.
For this protocol to be truly more perfect, we must pair the nutritional support with a brief complementary routine. 1. Gentle pre-bed mobility. Before taking your mixture, spend 3 to 5 minutes on the floor or in a chair doing non-strenuous movement. Focus on ankle rotations, gentle hamstring stretches, and deep diaphragmatic breathing. This signals to your nervous system that it's time to shift from doing to repairing. It also increases circulation, delivering the nutrients from your drink more effectively. 2. Create a sleep sanctuary. This is non-negotiable. Keep your bedroom cool, around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Ensure it's completely dark. And most importantly, disconnect from screens at least 1 hour before bed. The blue light from phones and televisions directly suppresses your body's natural melatonin production, undermining the work of the Tart cherry juice. This protocol is incredibly beneficial, but it must be personalized. Consult your doctor. Before starting any new supplement, especially if you are on medications like blood thinners, the olive oil and cherry juice can have mild blood-thinning effects, or managing diabetes, Tart cherry juice contains natural sugars. Please discuss this with your healthcare provider. Quality matters. Use only organic, unsweetened Tart cherry concentrate. Choose a collagen from grass-fed, pasture-raised sources. Your extra virgin olive oil should be cold-pressed from a single origin and stored in a dark glass bottle to ensure potency. Consistency is key. This is not a one-night miracle. This protocol works by supporting your body's innate repair systems night after night. Give it at least 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use to feel the cumulative benefits in your leg strength, sleep quality, and morning energy.
Restoring leg strength and vitality isn't about a single spoonful of magic. It's about understanding your body's needs and providing the right support at the right time. This comprehensive nighttime protocol, combining targeted nutrition with a calming routine, works with your biology to help you wake up restored, resilient, and ready to embrace your day with the energy you deserve. If you found this protocol helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to join our community dedicated to healthy aging. Share this with a friend or family member who could benefit from better nights and stronger days. Here's to your health, your strength, and your most vibrant future. We'll see you in the next video.